Did you know that nearly 10% of adults will have some form of kidney disease in their lifetime? That's a staggering statistic. Kidney health is crucial, impacting our overall well-being significantly. But fear not, there are ways to keep your kidneys in top shape, and it starts with what you eat. Number 7 on our list may shock you because you all have this one at home, but you didn't know that it is good for your kidneys. First on our list is the superfood avocado. This powerhouse of nutrients, brimming with high levels of potassium, aids in balancing your diet. Consuming avocados promotes healthier kidneys by helping to maintain electrolyte balance and blood pressure levels. So remember to include avocados in your meals for a kidney-healthy diet. Next, we have tofu, a great source of low-fat, kidney-friendly protein. Tofu is packed with protein, yet low in potassium and phosphorus, making it an ideal choice for those with kidney concerns. Tofu is not just versatile in cooking, but also in maintaining your kidney health. Third on our list, we have fish, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation in your body, both of which are crucial for maintaining kidney health. Comment down below if you eat fish on a daily basis, so don't forget to reel in some fish for your next meal. Moving on to other kidney-friendly foods: tomatoes, eggs, cherries, apples, and yogurt. Let's start with tomatoes. These brightly colored fruits are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known to reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys. Next, we have eggs. A staple in many diets, eggs offer high-quality protein that can help repair kidney damage, while also being easy on the kidneys to process. Cherries are up next. These small fruits are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals and can help prevent kidney damage. Now let's talk about apples. These common fruits are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce cholesterol, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Drop a comment if you knew this one. And last but not least, yogurt. This creamy delight is a fantastic source of probiotics, which support a healthy gut and indirectly a healthy kidney by reducing the amount of harmful toxins that the kidneys have to filter. These foods are not only delicious, but also work wonders for your kidneys. Last but not least, we have broccoli. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's high in vitamin C and fiber, both essential for kidney health. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders. So add some green to your plate with broccoli to keep your kidneys functioning well. Indeed, what you eat can greatly impact your kidney health. A diet rich in foods like avocado, tofu, fish, tomatoes, eggs, cherries, apples, yogurt, and broccoli can contribute significantly to your kidneys' vitality. These foods, packed with essential nutrients, can help repair and maintain your kidneys. Also, if you are someone with kidney disease, make sure to comment down below and share some advices with others. Face the power of these nourishing foods and give your kidneys the care they deserve. For more health tips and information, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, your health is in your hands.